North Carolina has already lost tens of millions of dollars in federal research grant money canceled by the Trump administration. But that's just a drop in the bucket compared to what could be on the horizon. A new analysis shows a proposal to cut more funding next year from NIH could cost the Triangle more than $2 billion. WRO Capitol Bureau Chief Laura Leslie explains.
Federal funding cuts have already led to hundreds of job losses here at Research Triangle Institute. A new proposal to cut the NIH budget by 40% could cost hundreds of millions of dollars more and lead to research job losses all across the Triangle. The Trump administration is proposing to cut the National Institutes of Health's budget by 40% next year. The NIH is the largest public funder of medical research in the U.S. A lot of that funding comes to North Carolina for work on diseases like cancer, diabetes, and dementia. A 40% cut is projected to cost the Triangle $2.1 billion and some 9,000 jobs. According to a team of data researchers at SciMap, North Carolina's 4th congressional district would be the hardest hit in the country, facing a projected loss of $1.2 billion and 5,300 jobs. The 2nd district projected to lose $537 million and 2,300 jobs under the proposal, and the 13th district, $321 million and 1,400 jobs.
North Carolina, particularly the Research Triangle area, is really a powerhouse for research, especially biomedical research.
Alyssa Sinclair is a co-founder of SciMap, the data research team that did the analysis.
We see a lot of reliance on the NIH for this funding that's coming in, and that's a huge boon to the state economy, really driving this research and innovation enterprise.
What kind of impact do you think this would have on the research community here in the Triangle area?
It could have the potential to have really devastating impact on the research community.
I asked the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services, why are these cuts being proposed? Is the Trump administration fully aware of the likely economic impact to research hubs like the Triangle? And is the Trump administration fully aware of the likely impact on the biomedical and scientific research community? A department spokesperson did not immediately respond to our questions. RTI did not respond to our request for an interview. Neither did UNC or Duke, both of whom could lose hundreds of millions of dollars under this proposal. Laura Leslie, WRAL News, RTP.